Wireless rain gauges. If you're interested in looking at a new rain gauge, let me suggest you look at one that will not be so laborious to use. Remember, the old ones had to be set on a pole or a fence that was out in the open, and then you would wait for the rain to run out to take a look to see what the level of the rainfall was. Well, you don't have to do all that running anymore. You do have to place the unit in the open, but that's about the most technical thing you have to do. Yep, even the rain has gone high-tech. You can retrieve the rain gauge information by wireless means. If you're a weatherman or lady, you're glad that you don't have to get bundled up and go outside to gather the data you need to keep track of the rainfall level. Wireless rain gauges are here, and at a fair price. This is what you can expect from the new scientific wireless rain gauges. The best place to mount the receiver, the water catcher, is on top of a roof. That usually keeps it from being sheltered by trees. This was, of course, not possible when you had to go dump the water out after every rain. So with the new wireless rain gauge, it's easy to do. You just have to keep within the broadcasting radius of the transmitter. After you install the catching unit on a pole or some other surface in the area that is away from buildings and trees, and install the inside unit in a convenient spot, check to see that the batteries are in good shape and installed properly. Most units use 1 or 2 AA batteries. Some need them in the outside unit as well as the inside unit. After a few seconds, you should see info showing up on the monitor. Many manual systems from the past have gone wireless and are making a comeback in popularity. One of these is the tipping bucket gauge. It now has a computer along with a transmitter and receiver plugged into it, so it records the rainfall in a timely manner and keeps a running log for your inspection at your convenience. With a troubleshooting feature in the processor, it makes it easy to keep the unit working, and in some cases increases the longevity of the unit. That keeps your information timely and true, so you can depend on the info to help. All of the better units come with a technical manual, which will help in the setup and understanding the reading of the unit. Just follow the instructions, and in no time you should have all the data you can use right at your fingertips. Don't forget to keep track of your batteries. You may even want to make a note in your printout that you changed the batteries at such and such a date, and then be watching for the same time frame to do it again. I'm not a battery expert, but I've heard that lithium batteries are the best to use because alkaline batteries might freeze in really extended cold weather. That should make a mess, I'm thinking. So, you should plan ahead. For more information on rain gauges, go to Scientific Rain Gauge at bsite.bsite.com. That's scientificraingauge.bsite.com.